look at these following Igbo words that has wa in it. This is wa also. Wa also, the first one. The second one is wa egu. Wa egu. The third one is wa. It could be ball. Let's use ball. Wa ball. Wa ball. And why the fourth is wa nkete. Now wa also, all of them is a verb. Wa also means run. Wa also, run as a verb. Also is run as a noun. But as a verb, it is wa also. So when you say neka wa also, you're saying neka run. Neka biko wa also. Neka please run. The other one, wa egu. Wa egu means dance. Dance. Now egu is dance as a noun. Egu, dance as a noun. But wa egu is dance as a verb. Mama biko egu. Good woman, please dance. Wa egu, dance. Dance. Biko egu, please dance. The other one is wa, which is kick or play. But it has to do with, in English we say play, but it has to do with using your leg. So it could be kicking of football or kicking of anything. Let's say any empty can you find in the street. That's wa. So for ball, we say wa ball. Wa ball. Wa ball. That's how we say wa ball. So because ball has to do with kicking. So anything you kick with your leg. So if you are in the street, you are kicking an empty can. It is wa can now. Kick it. So wa ball. Now the last one is wa nkete. Now you're going to notice something. The others are wa. This is wa nkete. Wa nkete, not wa. Just one alphabet is there. Wa nkete. Now wa nkete means keep quiet, keep silent, don't reply, ignore, something of that nature. That's what wa nkete. So if I ask you to wa nkete means keep quiet, don't say anything. Wa nkete, yes, mostly the pronoun comes between wa and nkete. Wa nkete, ignore her, don't answer her, don't tell her anything. Wa nkete, ignore them, don't answer them, don't tell them anything. Now I'd love to know, is there any other Igbo verb or word that you know that starts with wa or wa? Tell me in the comment section. And if you find this video very informative, ensure you like, share and comment, because if you don't, the algorithm will not be showing you my videos. So if you want the algorithm to be showing more of my videos, ensure you will like, share and comment. And if you're ready to learn the Igbo language in a more structured format, we'll be having our Igbo upcoming group Igbo class for next month. Please check description or caption for more details. Thank you.